Dear students, in this session, I am going to explain about the disorders of circulatory system. It is an important topic. Few disorders are given here. Those are hypertension, coronary artery disease, angina pectoris, and heart failure. So let us discuss about the hypertension. So it is a chronic medical condition. Hypertension is a chronic medical condition caused by the high blood pressure than normal blood pressure. So here the normal blood pressure of human is 120 by 80 mmHg. Normal blood pressure or average blood pressure of human is 120 by 80. So here 120 indicates the systolic pressure and 80 indicates diastolic pressure. 120 indicates systolic pressure and 80 indicates diastolic pressure. So mm means millimeters, Hg means the mercury. So here the high blood pressure then the normal blood pressure is caused hypertension. It is also called as high blood pressure. So it is measured by the sphygmomanometer. Blood pressure is measured by the sphygmomanometer. It is the branchial artery of arm. So it affects another organs such as brain and kidneys, etc. So it affects age, sex, and health conditions also. So normally the above of blood pressure then 140 by 90 mmHg considered as hypertension. Above 140 by 90 mmHg is considered as hypertension. So here, when the systolic blood pressure is above than the 140 and the diastolic blood pressure above than the 90 mmHg is considered hypertension. So it is also caused by the excessive intake of salt also. Next, we are going to discuss about the coronary artery disease. So it is an atherosclerotic heart disease. It is caused by the accumulation of calcium, fat, cholesterol, and fibrous tissues in coronary arteries. So this accumulation makes lumen narrow of coronary arteries. So this narrow lumen blood vessels reduces the blood flow to the heart. So here the oxygen is shortened to supply to the heart. So the myocardial cells may die due to shortened of oxygen. So this is called as coronary artery disease. So this condition is ischemia condition. So it is associated by the smoking, diabetes, hypertension, etc. Coronary artery disease associated by smoking, diabetes, hypertension, etc. Next one, angina pectoris. It is marked by chest pain, so commonly in middle age of human beings. So it is caused by the not supplying of sufficient blood to the heart muscles. So it is also associated by smoking, diabetes, and hypertension, etc. Next one, heart failure. The abnormal function of heart is considered as heart failure. So it is caused by the congestion of lungs. So here, cardiac arrest and heart attack, these are the not same disorders as heart failure. So here, the cardiac arrest means the stopping of heartbeat. The stopping of heartbeat or the stopping of stimulus of heart is considered as cardiac arrest. So it caused by the due to generate action potential by the sinoatrial node. Next one, heart attack is caused by the not supplying the blood to the heart. So here these two disorders are differ from each other. So this is about the disorders of circulatory system.